The Fat Boy Burger, half-pound burger topped with 2 slices of American and Swiss cheese, a pile of grilled onions, and lots of bacon, all with a kiss of smoke on the Green Mountain Grill. Some nice half-pound patties, well seasoned with Chef of the Future Southwest seasoning, 400 degrees for about 22 minutes. 10 minutes in, we just gave them a flip. You can see our temperature is 106. We're shooting for 165 USDA safe. Our internal temperature is 160. It's time to pile on the cheese and the bacon. This is going to be good. Pile on the cheese and the bacon and let it all get happy. You can see that we've already pre-cooked the bacon a little bit, or it will never get done before the cheese melts away. Looking good. These fat boys are looking good. It's time to bring them on in. Here's a pair of fat boys for you. Let's go build our burger. Here it is, a Fat Boy Burger. 400 degrees for 20 minutes on the Green Mountain Grill, Pacific Pellets Hickory. Pile of cheese, pile of bacon, pile of grilled onions. Oh man, let's eat.